welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing this face, my name is Ugochukwu and Ezinne, and you are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking in. I've already seen the title. It is How to Rise the Fallen Heroes. So as a natural skincare vendor, this is one of the questions I get often. When I mean often. People always ask me, Ugojen, please, do you have oil that I can use to enlarge, firm, and lift my fallen heroes? And I'll be like, why? See, it is not a bad thing for you to have a fallen hero. So it is not a crime for your heroes to fall. All heroes must fall at some point, and every standing hero must fall at some point. Okay, it is not a bad thing. It is a natural thing to happen naturally. You are not the one falling it, you are not the one making it to fall, but it falls on its own. And sometimes it's due to body, sometimes it's gene, sometimes it's maybe due to one factor or the other, but last one thing or the other must make it to fall. So if your own is falling as a young lady, it could be because of gene, it could be because of your body, or some other factors. Maybe you added weight and you lost weight. So anything can make it to fall. It's flesh. It's just like having stretch mark, you know, when it stretches and after you lost weight and it's falling. Yes, so a lot of things can actually make it to fall. And as a married woman, childbearing can actually make it to fall. Not really childbearing, but the fact that it's increased during breastfeeding. So for those of you that used to say, no, I don't want to breastfeed my child so that my boobs will not fall, it must fall. It is not breastfeeding that makes your boobs to fall. It's the fact that it's actually increased in size, and after a while, when it drops, when the milk is no longer there, it falls. So whether you breastfeed or not, your heroes are bound to bow. They are bound to succumb to the authority of nature. They are bound to succumb to the authority of nature. But then, if your heroes has fallen, or you don't want them to fall, and you are looking for a solution to make it not to fall or to rise the fallen heroes, this video is for you. Because I am finally answering your questions and I am finally showing you the secret to rising a fallen hero. So watch the video as I show you how I make this natural cream for lifting and firming the fallen heroes. Okay, the first ingredient we have here is fenugreek. This is it. This is fenugreek. Do you see it? That's how it looks like. So yeah, we have fenugreek, and we will also be needing olive oil. Don't mind my olive oil, it's already very tiny, like it has finished. So you need olive oil. If you have any other one like almond oil, you can use. So this is it. And this fenugreek, you can either use it in this way, like you just use it like this, or you blend it. But for me, I use it this way. This is the one I already made. All you have to do is to blend your fenugreek. After blending it, you add some quantity of olive oil into it. You add some quantity of olive oil into it, and you can double boil it, or you store it for some days to naturally release its nutrients into the oil. So this is it. I didn't blend mine. I just put it like this into the oil, and it has been like this for some days now. It has been like this for some days, and yeah, it is ready to use. I'll be showing you how to use it to firm and lift your fallen heroes as a woman. To prepare it is not hard. Just as I said, it's either you blend it, double boil it with your olive oil, with your carrier oil basically, then, or you just store it in a cool place for some days to naturally release its ingredients into the oil by itself without going through the heat. And this is mine. So all I need a plain an empty container. which I'll be using to mix my cream. And here I have shea butter. So this is my shea butter. I'm not going to be putting much. This is my shea butter. You can add as much as you want, and I'll be getting some of the oil. This is my oil, and yeah, I'll be adding it into the shea butter. And mix. My shea butter is always inside my fridge. So I am adding more shea butter. So it is ready, and you put it. So you have your cream here to lift and firm your falling heroes or your heroes. It might not be falling yet, so but you just have it here to help you firm it and to lift it even more. So this is your cream, and yeah, it is very good, it is very healthy, it is 100% natural. So yeah, you have it here, and you can apply it every morning and night before you sleep. You don't need to wash it out. All you have to do is to apply it in circular motion, massage it around your heroes, and yeah, you are good to go. Do it like this consistently for like 1 to 2 months, and you will see a very huge visible results to testify to go with here. It is safe. You can use it only as oil. You can use it with the shea butter, because I love shea butter. Shea butter on its own also helps to firm and strengthen muscles. So after mixing your cream, this is how it looks. You can add vitamin E if you wish to, but the shea butter also contains vitamin E. So but if you wish to add extra, you can do that. So this is how it looks like, and it feels so soft, so smooth. It doesn't take time to absorb, and it's very nice, so mild and so natural. This is what you can try at home, and it's very effective. Just be consistent. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to stay safe. Okay.